Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistants. Airbus and Boeing reveal their latest aviation advancements. Airbus and Boeing continue to redefine modern aviation with their newest aircraft innovations. From fuel-efficient designs to advanced cockpit technology, both manufacturers are focusing on sustainability and performance. Airbus introduces updates to its A320neo and A350 series, while Boeing showcases progress with the 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner models. These developments mark a new era of efficiency, comfort, and environmental responsibility for global airlines and passengers alike. Airbus A320 family surpasses Boeing 737 milestone. In a historic shift, the Airbus A320 family became the most delivered commercial jetliner ever, overtaking Boeing's 737 with 12,260 units delivered since 1988. The landmark handover of an A320neo to Saudi's Flynas in early October 2025 marked this achievement, underscoring Airbus's dominance in the narrow-body market amid booming demand for efficient single-aisle jets. This milestone highlights the A320neo's role in sustainable upgrades, with over 70% of projected 2025-2034 deliveries being narrow-bodies like these. Airbus unveils next-gen single-aisle roadmap. At the March 2025 Airbus Summit, the company detailed plans for a successor to the A320 family, targeting entry into service in the late 2030s. Key features include 20–30% better fuel efficiency via open-fan engines, foldable wings for aerodynamic gains, and full compatibility with 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, potentially slashing lifecycle emissions by 80%. This evolutionary design emphasizes hybrid electric systems and advanced composites, positioning Airbus to maintain its narrow-body lead against Boeing's 737. Boeing kicks off 737 MAX successor development. Boeing entered early planning for a new single-aisle aircraft to replace the 737 MAX, with flight deck designs underway and discussions with Rolls-Royce on advanced engines. Though no launch is imminent, this move addresses the 737's aging architecture, aiming for a clean sheet design to recapture market share lost to Airbus's A320neo. CEO Kelly Ortberg confirmed priorities remain on backlog clearance, but the project signals long-term innovation amid regulatory scrutiny. 777X certification delays push deliveries to 2027. Boeing's 777X program, including the 777-9 passenger variant and 777-8F freighter, faces further setbacks, with first deliveries now slated for 2027 instead of 2026. Wing production has begun on the 777-8F at Everett, featuring composite spars for 30% fuel savings over predecessors, but FAA hurdles and supply issues persist. This delay benefits Airbus's A350, which continues strong sales in the widebody segment. Airbus Zero Hydrogen project advances. Airbus updated its Zero roadmap at the 2025 summit, showcasing a notional hydrogen-powered aircraft with 4 2-megawatt fuel cell engines for regional flights. Delayed by 5–10 years to 2040+, the project focuses on cryogenic hydrogen storage and electric propulsion, complementing SAF pathways for net zero by 2050. Mock-ups emphasize biomimetic wings and lightweight materials, fostering a hydrogen economy ecosystem. Boeing's massive Qatar Airways widebody order. In May 2025, Qatar Airways placed a record order for up to 210 Boeing widebodies, including 130-787-9 Dreamliners, 30,777 9s, and options for more. Valued at $96 billion, this deal, brokered with U.S. involvement, boosts Boeing's backlog to 5,987 aircraft and underscores the 787's efficiency edge, with 25% lower emissions than prior generations. Production ramps amid supply challenges. Boeing delivered 55 aircraft in September 2025, its best September since 2018, while targeting 42 monthly 737 MAX units by year-end, up from 38. Airbus hit 64 deliveries that month but struggles toward A320 annual goals, with A320neo output spiking to 55 units. Both face GTF engine recalls and chains issues, projecting 100 monthly rates by late 2020s using welded composites. A350 and 787 wide-body momentum. Airbus's A350 saw robust 2025 orders, with Swiss taking its first A350-900 in August, featuring modern cabins and 25% efficiency gains. Boeing's 787 production rises post-Charleston expansion, with 95 net orders in September alone, including Turkish Airlines' 7879s. Forecasts predict these twins as top widebodies for 2025-2034, driven by long-haul recovery. Air Force One accelerated to 2027 delivery. Boeing advanced VC-25B, 747-based, deliveries to 2027, easing security requirements to cut delays from original 2024 targets. This $3.9 billion program, renegotiated in 2018, ensures presidential transport with enhanced defenses, though costs have ballooned amid quality fixes. It highlights Boeing's defense pivot amid commercial woes. No imminent launches, focus on efficiency. At October's ISTAT conference, both firms dismissed rushed new jet talks, needing 25–30% efficiency leaps via engines and materials. Airbus eyes A360 concepts with 70-1 bypass open fans. Boeing prioritizes 737-777X backlogs. Market forecasts 11,200 Airbus versus 8,800 Boeing deliveries through 2034, with sustainability tech key to decarbonization. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.